Hello and welcome to this promotional video. This first bird is a British robin, then you see the American robin feeding its chicks. This one is very interesting. The next one's a common minor bird all the way from Australia. The next bird is a very interesting redwing, loads of them in England. Next is the goldcrest. And then after this we see one of the most iconic birds in Britain, the kingfisher. Then the white-breasted nuthatch, which is from North America and Canada. And then the redwing again. And then the redwing again. Thank you for watching this video. This is a promotional ad for my website. Thank you once again for watching it. Please subscribe below and comment about what you think of it. Also visit the website to see what you think of that, which is the URL address is on it somewhere. It's on this video somewhere. Thank you.